Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Zucca-style coffee at home. First, let's gather our essentials. You'll need about 18 grams of fresh, medium-dark roasted Arabica coffee beans. For brewing, an espresso machine or a mocha pot works best to create a strong coffee concentrate. Don't forget your preferred milk, a touch of condensed milk for sweetness, and plenty of ice for a refreshing iced beverage. Having a grinder and measuring tools will ensure perfect consistency. Now, let's brew the heart of our coffee. Grind your 18 grams of coffee beans to a fine consistency, resembling table salt. If you're using an espresso machine, aim to extract about 2 ounces of rich, dark espresso. For those with a mocha pot, brew a strong, concentrated coffee that will provide a robust foundation. The goal is a powerful coffee flavor that can beautifully complement the milk and sweeteners we'll add next. Next, we'll create the sweet, creamy milk that makes this coffee so special. In a separate container, combine about 4 ounces of your preferred milk with 1 to 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. Gently warm this mixture on the stovetop or in a microwave until it's comfortably warm, but not boiling. Then, froth the milk until it's wonderfully creamy and smooth. Remember, you can always adjust the amount of condensed milk to achieve your ideal level of sweetness. Finally, it's time to assemble your delightful coffee. If you're making an iced version, fill a 16-ounce glass generously with ice cubes. Carefully pour your sweet, creamy milk over the ice, filling the glass about halfway. Then, slowly and artfully pour your freshly brewed coffee base over the milk. Give it a gentle stir to combine all the flavors, and your homemade Zucca-style coffee is ready to be savored. Enjoy every sip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.